All right, everybody, we are live now. Let's give it a minute for people to join. So I'm just gonna go to the YouTube page. Let's go right here. And all right, guys, give me a minute. Yep. Alrighty. I'm basically just trying to wait for. Let's wait for a few people to actually join us, and then we get started today. All right. And like that. And like that. Okay. I'm gonna send the invites to people now. All right, so it's a London session. Good thing is that the trade that we actually entered since yesterday, the trade is still running till now, and we are in profit. I'm gonna show you shortly, and that is actually impressive to see. That's very impressive to see. All right, so I've invited people to actually join the trades analysis. All right, what do we have here now? So basically now I'm going to quickly show. So I'm also going to show us the data. So many guys. So many guys. Trying to respond to something. Alrighty. That's I was trying to conclude a particular section I was on to. I was playing Code Mobile, by the way. So anyway, what do we have right now? It's the London session, and we basically have the price in our area of interest since yesterday. So I'm going to show you the trade that we have running since yesterday. I took an entry yesterday around around 6 Nigerian time, right? So the trade I entered since yesterday is still running in profit as of now, and it was already up 1-to-1, but right now I think because of the London session it was pulling back now. So now what do I actually think is going to happen? I'm going to just keep holding this trade. I'm not going to close it as long as it doesn't go to the stop loss level. I'm just going to keep holding it. Okay, so what do I think is the potential thing for us to do? Now we're going to go on with today's analysis. We're going to do the analysis, and then we are going to also wait and see what the market actually asks for us. Okay, so in this case, let's go back to trading view, and with trading view we can see what we have today. All right, so let's quickly run through the analysis. Today though, NASDAQ potentially is going to continue the move to the upside, and you can see what's happening right now is that let's turn on the session break. So I'm anticipating the continuation of NASDAQ, right, to keep going to the upside. However, now let's mark the previous day high. This is the previous day high, this level right here. Let's mark the previous day low, meaning the lowest point that price is at yesterday. So this is going to be the previous day low. This is the lowest point that price got to yesterday. So now, honestly, the thing now is that where the previous day low is right now is it's very close to where the stop loss actually is. So I'm thinking now that on that trade, I should go break even just to potentially protect ourselves, because if NASDAQ wants to go and take the previous day low, which is the yesterday low, which is right here, there's a chance that they take the low and then, they now start giving a buy, and I don't want that to happen. Now that the price has already given us enough profit, although I'm going to just hold on from doing that yet. I'm going to hold on. I'm not going to move the break even yet. I'm just going to leave it, but NASDAQ can potentially just do this from where it is right now. Take the Asian low, take the previous day low, then begin to give a actual buy to the upside. And that's very common for NASDAQ actually. And so now I have to be very careful, because now this is the London session, and the fact that NASDAQ is trying to head towards the Asian low is signifying that they might be interested in coming back to this level, right? Or maybe even, not just this level, maybe even taking the Asian low and the previous day low rather, and give a buy. But if they took the previous day low and they keep going to where our stop loss is, that's not going to be good, because obviously, we really hope that NASDAQ just continue to respect the current market structure. And if NASDAQ will respect the market structure, they shouldn't close below this level, and that's exactly where our stop loss is, right? So let's hope that that's actually what happened. And but I'm gonna just keep the trade as it is. I'm not gonna set break even. I'm not going to change the stop loss level as well. I'm going to leave it the way it is. All right, that's what I'm gonna do, and we'll target the previous day high and see. Okay, actually, honestly, there's not much of an analysis this morning, because everything is still almost the same way as it is right now. NASDAQ is just respecting the levels that have been created yesterday. So right now, I'm thinking that NASDAQ can potentially, as long as this place holds where NASDAQ currently is right now, if it holds, honestly, it gives us more confirmation that the buy we are in right now will continue to fly to the take profit level. And with that, that's going to honestly be the best thing that can happen to us on NASDAQ this session. So what do I think now that we should do? Let's keep waiting. If you're already in the trade as well, keep holding the trade, keep waiting on the trade, and we're just going to wait until we can see the actual reaction from that level. So right now it's just a waiting game, so we'll keep waiting, and hopefully we get a really good a good one from NASDAQ today, which is really going to be very good for us. And with that said, I think right now let's just let's go and come back in New York session. And with New York session, we are going to potentially see what NASDAQ has done, and then we're going to be making a new decision, or hopefully our trade is still running by then, and we're going to let it keep running as long as we don't get stopped out. All right, thank you everyone for coming. So just to recap, we are anticipating that NASDAQ should keep buying today, but it might potentially pull back into the demand zone that we started off from. Like from here now, it can pull back into this level, and maybe even taking the previous day low, right, and then give a buy hopefully. And although that would be very close to our stop loss, but let's leave it and see how it goes. All right, thank you everyone. We'll see each other again at New York session for the main live trading activity again. Happy and safe trading everybody. See you at New York session. Bye for now.